Alright, let's go.
Gently. There we go. You in?
We might have to. We could wait for another guy.
Nah,
Or not.
I
Yeah.
have the gun in the driveway as well.
Yeah, I've got the AP-30 shredder.
I forgot where I spawn. I might as well just wait for something else. There's someone over who's gonna run. Yep, he's already running. And he stopped. Okay, let's just leave.
Maybe because I shot at him.
Probably. Alright, so we're going to whatever the one in front of us is.
Yeah, the Bastion. Let's just try. Let's just try not to get shot down.
Yeah, that's gonna be kind of hard, but we'll chance it.
Okay, the M20 Drake. Is this an AA gun or what type of gun is it?
What gun you using?
The M20 Drake.
Let me get out of my driving position and come over and see. I've done that before. I'm not gonna chance that again.
Yeah.
God damn. Alright, we're closing in on the Bastion. We're about a kilometer away.
Yeah. Or two.
Okay. Should we do a low swing fire in there?
Well, fuck it. Let's just see how things go, and we'll work from there.
Yeah. Fair enough. Oh, we got the ambulance here. It's on here.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit. We getting some good torch shots in? Oh shit, we're getting shot at.
That's me. Oh no, never mind.
Shit. Yeah, we got a tango behind.
On it.
I'm gonna pull some evasive maneuver.
Yeah, I can't see the bastard anyway.
Yeah, fair enough. Can't catch us if we can't see him. Oh shit, I have to actually exit. Oh shit, he's there now, I think.
I have the worst aim in the world.
Well, isn't it good that you're a air gunner?
No.
That was sarcasm.
I know, but it's still not good.
Yeah, we are kind of fucked.
Okay, let's try get down to the ground, or something like that.
Try and catch this bastard. I can catch him. Shit.
Being shot at.
I'm jumping out. Jump out. Jump
What?
out. I died. Sorry.
I survived.
Somehow.
Wait a second, I can
jumped up
revive
too
you.
early. Yeah, do that. I forgot your combat medic.
Yeah, combat medic.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, Morgan Freeman's talking to us.
Oh yeah,
I forgot you didn't like me calling him that. He speaks to us.
I think that's a different person.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Perceptor, so.
I'll take him as fucking Morgan Freeman.
Yeah, I know. I like him as well as an actor, but he does sound a bit like him.
He does,
He's
yeah.
probably gonna get. He's probably more freckled than man at this stage, you know.
To be fair, yeah.
Yeah, because he has to explain every thing, and every time he explains shit, gee.
Ah, crap.
Perceptor, you're down. Ah, fuck. I can't see him. That's my problem. I mean, watching this gameplay is gonna be like, what the hell is he doing? But I can't see him. That's not my fault.
Yeah, half the damn game's darkness and explosion.
Yeah, I mean, if something's not exploding, you can't see anything. Oh shit, I can actually see
Okay, I'm bringing out the big gun.
You going, Max?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll go combat or engineer or something.
Yeah, I need a medic.
Engineer, yeah. Let me go to the AMS. Where are you at?
Right behind you.
Okay, I'm an engineer.
Crap, we got a guy here. Get back here, you fucker.
Where are you at?
Okay, he's just escaped. Alright.
Yeah, I got a constant beam on you. Keep moving. You're my protector. Oh shit, we got a tango. We got him?
I've more than got him, to be honest.
Oh shit, I'm getting shot at. Watch out. Oh shit. As long as I can keep you alive. Oh shit.
Why do people run in front of Max fire?
I think it's the suicidal internal. I'm gonna hide behind the wall and just shoot out.
Come on.
I'm here, I'm here. Oh, behind.
Okay, let's take cover for the meanwhile. Okay, go.
Don't worry, you're practically invincible.
Yeah, but there's a fucking there's a Terran Max here.
I know, and you have him sorted. He has no healing power. I'm like a mini boss. If I get taken out, you're kind of screwed.
Oh, there's a strategy.
The Terran Republic has taken the
Oh, watch out behind you, Max. Oh, we got two Max over here. We have.
Clear out of that area.
Oh, I hear the Max is changing. I'm down. I've been down.
I don't know what's going on.
I just died. Oh, it was friendly fire as well.
Ah, crap, I'm dead.
Alright, I'm going as Max. We should just go vocal as Max as this.
Oh yeah. I am not a bloodsucker.
Where are you at?
I am here. 1 second, just gotta get my anti.
Got so many Maxes, it's actually scary.
Let's go.
Hold on. Alright, let's go.
Ooh, that was fun.
Yeah, it was.
For the entire two seconds I was there for.
Yeah. Where are you at? I'm just following the goal. Oh shit, you're under attack.
No,
So
I'm
you
not.
can't see crap because it's mainly dark.
That's why flashlights are useful.
Yeah, that's close. Alright, I'm coming after you.
Yeah, there was a tank I had to dispose of it.
Huh?
There was a tank there I had to dispose of it.
Don't we all have to? Alright, watch out, there's a 9 at the back. I'm going around the back to catch him. Is he going? Yes, he's coming down here. Catch him here with me. Taking the road down, we'll be able to ambush him. Oh, we got a Confederate. Glamour, sorry.
Confederate. This isn't the Civil War.
Sorry, they're all Nazis. Get him over the hill. Come on, there's a Max shooting at you. Give up. Give up.
I find your effort lacking.
My efforts are not lacking.
Has taken the facility.
That is a racism.
You're, oh jeez, you're nearly dead.
Yeah, I'm nearly dead.
Oh shit, there's a vehicle, there's an anti-vehicle up there and it's got a shot coming straight on.
Well, that was fun.
I'm going after this little bastard down here. Where are you?
A second, I'm gonna get an engineer.
Yeah, come down and help me out.
Yeah, I was just getting NG. 1 second, I gotta get a scope.
Oh crap, I hate when there's one of these. Or sorry, I actually love it in the same way. That there's 3 factions attacking the one place.
Oh yeah, it's like, it's fun, but it's fucking terrifying.
I know, because you don't know which one's shooting at you. It must be a nightmare for each. Because now there's 3 colours left to know what to shoot at.
Where the hell are you?
Crap, there's a match. You can hear the minigun. Get over here, please.
I don't know where you are.
I'm over here. And
Oh, you're over there.
I was. You can revive me still if you can get to me within. I think it's 15 seconds.
But won't I have to be a combat medic?
No, you can do it as an engineer. Engineers repair maxes. You can repair me.
Wait, is a Max a robot or is it just a suit?
It's a robot.
Oh. Yeah, I can't revive you.
Serious.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck that. Right, I'm respawning now. Yeah. Do you want to get a tank?
For pizza.
And
Huh?
come at this.
For pizza.
Do you want to
No.
come at this from a different approach? If you know what I mean. I see you coming on.
I kinda got overrun.
Now I can see the body. I fucking love the redneck voice pack. We got ourselves a hostile engineer. Oh, you can hear a Max. That's really old everywhere. Oh yeah. Okay. I forgot I was an engineer who's down at Chin.
Seeing green, capture hammerish in the time limit.
Yeah, my video file saved. I think I recorded for too long.
You know you can extend for how long you record for it to like 30 fucking minutes.
Yeah, maybe I should look into them.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Yeah, I'm recording again now.
Yeah, all you have to do is edit the clips together.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna cut out the audio and just have gameplay with a bit of music.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep in the audio. I'd rather that.
Yeah.
Get back here, you red bastard!
I was thinking of doing like a satirical version of, you know all the videos that are like top 5.
Wait, what now?
I just came face to face with a Tyran Max, and I can see how terrifying they are. Dear God. That is terror tactics.
they're basically just the face of I will shit for fury and you will drown.
The Terran Republic.
Well, I'm gonna place down a turret. Kick his ass.
Thanatos... something. Shotgun.
Oh, I'm a medic.
Does anyone actually use shotguns in this game?
No. I mean, they're pretty impractical.
Yeah, because half your battles are taking place at close range.
Yeah, I suppose.
Or...
I mean,
yeah, it's supposed to just a case of how many bullets you can spew out at once.
Yeah. I need is engineer. I can see you going over the bridge anyways. Shit.
They can't see me, it's dark.
Are you kidding me? I accidentally threw a grenade instead of an ammo pack, and the grenade rolled down the hill after me. I was being chased by a grenade.
I just killed about 3 people because they can't see me and it's dark.
How do I say? Trying to remember which gun place is down that turret thing.
It's NG.
Huh?
It's engineer.
I know which book.
Oh, I think that's the left. Seems that shotguns would be pretty useful for infiltrators.
It would be. 'Cause once you're there, like, you're sort of really.
Yeah, because like a sniper rifle's not going to help you in close range.
Oh, I found it. I found it. Like 5 minutes of video is just pressing random buttons. Yes.
Yeet.
I just. Oh
I
my
killed someone
God.
with my yeet.
I just watched a dead body slide up and down the corridor.
Fucking hell, I got killed by a goddamn Max and they're
Just
fucking
dead
terrifying.
body sliding up and down the corridor.
Like, imagine coming in close range with an enemy Max. It's just a case of, oh hello, I'm just gonna quietly die now.
Yeah, he was up in my face, like I just got around the corner and like 2 meters and just come face to face with Max. It was absolutely terrifying.
Yeah.
I'm in a really good spot. The second someone pokes their head out.
Of course, when you're playing a Max, you can barely move half for shit.
Yeah, pretty much. It's just convenient the spot I actually ran into him. I mean, I zoomed in. Ah, the dirty bastard came up from the wind.
Dirty bastard.
Dirty bastard. Oh shit, I'm getting revived down after a revive. Is that fucking shit little shit still there?
The Terran Republic has taken the facility.
Well, it's not my fault that that guy died. That's his own fault for getting in front of my bullets.
I see you.
Oh shit.
I don't know where I'm being shot. That's the problem.
Come on. Oh no.
Oh, there's a guy with a pounder. Oh. Okay, it's daytime now. It's a total different story for this game. When you respawn, yeah, we're gonna be in a random asshole. Okay. I'm here. Right.
Okay.
Johnny got a tank.
Fucking hell.
Hovering tanks.
Yeah, I think I've got access to a tank.
What type? The lightning?
Lightning, yeah.
Yeah, Johnny got a hovering one like that.
It's blue. Blue fuckers.
Will you truly allow yourself to lose? The Terran Republic has taken the facility.
Yeah, where are you at now? Oh, there you are.
Yeah, I'm at the Sunder.
Sorry, I had to go AFK for a second.
Yeah, Grant.
Yeah. So do you wanna go to Warpgate?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna redeploy there. Just get a nice tank.
Wait, why would we go to the
Now,
warp gate?
sorry, yeah, I just thought that
The
myself. We'll go
Araxi network hub.
where should we go to?
I'm going to the Araxi network hub.
Where the hell is that?
It's the one that's to the right of us.
We're here. I cannot actually see this place.
Yeah, I've got access to the lightning.
Oh, I found you. Sorry, I pronounced that way differently. Sorry, I just wouldn't pronounce it Araxi anyways. I don't know, they come up with really weird ass fucking names.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, I'm here and I'll get... Do you wanna get that massive tank? The...
You can
Mag Rider.
get the Mag Rider out and never mind, I can't spawn in the goddamn lightning. Don't have enough don't have enough resources.
I think I have enough resources for it.
Yeah,
Is the lightning... Can you spawn the lightning here? Or the Mag Rider?
Yeah, you can spawn both of them here.
Oh good. Yeah, there's very few places that can spawn a Mag Rider. Yes.
Yeah, I've only got 250 resources.
Yeah, I'm here now, so you can hop in.
Wait, it's a two-seater?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
You're in the turret on the top.
Nice.
You in?
Yep.
Let's go. It's a nice little anti-personnel turret while I have a huge anti-tank going on in front.
Nothing personnel, kid.
Yeah, let's just go straight to Bastion. And off we go.
Yeah, well, I'll put up a squad waypoint.
There's a comrade over the hill.
Sure, fucking taking our time, aren't we?
Yep. Why the hell not? But shoot. Alright.
Wow. There's a lot of aircraft. Wow.
Where am I? Oh crap.
Continent has been conquered by the combined might of the new conglomerate.
Let's just keep fighting anyways. For the sake.
Yeah, why the fuck not?
I shoot this lad in the ass. Sweet spot of the tank. Now we're gonna get blown up in a second.
Shoot this under.
Oh, let me jump this. Oh crap.
Damn it, we almost had this under.
Yeah, I'm getting tired now, really.
Yeah, the only places that are left are Coltier and fucking Houston.
Yeah, man.
And I can't go to Coltier.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up my video here now. So.
Alright, grand.
Yeah, I'm done my dude.
Yeah, ditto what he said.
Yeah.